it's not.
Could someone tell the camera what we're doing here?
We're seeing if it's a boy or a girl through ancient Australian custom.
And we've decided it is a
Girl.
girl.
Well, it's swinging pretty
I said
big.
it was a girl.
And what happened before it started going in a circle?
It was a boy.
Not a problem. So we've got a boy and a girl. We have
It's.
No, I think it's
I think it was just getting moving, and now it's fully a girl.
I said yes, we've got a girl that really.
Yeah, it started off just fluffing around, but now it's definitely swinging
Just,
around.
What you got out there?
there we go. We've got it. So Yumaya, for the camera. Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
Okay, thank
I
you.
don't have a camera.
Abby, for the camera, boy or a girl?
Russell is a girl.
You said a girl.
Did you change your mind? What did you say before?
You're going to be overrun with
So,
you, Russell.
do you want to have a final decision?
I think it's a girl now.
Okay.
What do you reckon?
Michelle,
I say a boy. Has to be a boy.
What do you say, Grace? Boy or
what does Dad think?
Well, it's got to be a boy.
Need one to even it up.
I'm going for a boy.
A boy?
A boy. And Grace is going for a girl.
A girl?
She did. She said girl. She's picked about 6 sexes of kids at school.
Trish, what are you going for, a boy or a girl? You've got to make your mind up. Can I be one or the other?
Probably could be a boy.
Yeah. Maybe it's a robot.
Marie?
Well, I'm pretty sure I dreamt that it was a boy. I'm pretty sure, but I can't recall. Do you know what I mean? I just was so excited there was a baby.
What does the ring have to do? Which way is it?
Oh, it does all sorts of things.
Oh yeah, you should say we had an eye reading ring and that wasn't good. No. So if it swings, it's a boy.
Got the momentum going.
Could be.
Well, Russ, I hate to tell you, mate, you need to
I think it's a boy. I said a boy when I first got here today.
That's the problem.
Noni?
It's a girl.
Absolutely.
Which is not, yeah, but more than one.
And what about the psychics?
Got 2 weeks.
Mum,
See, so you better
do you think it's a boy or a girl?
I can call that wedding in 2 weeks. No, you want to do it when she's in dream.
Oh, that's
The baby's going to be a Clark.
okay. We've got to come over
Going to
here.
be a Clark.
There's one person we haven't asked. Boy or a girl, Uncle Kerry?
Boy.
Boy. Topsy, do you have a view?
A little girl.
Topsy.